Oh, what's up? I thought that was good.
Yeah, it was. It just caught me off guard.
We hit the mountain.
That's a great. I'm gonna leave it like that. I ain't even gonna say good morning. Yep, that's all you get. Next. How you doing, Uncle Mike? Uncle Charles over here. Chefed up, you feel me? Chef Boyardee. In his zone. In the zone. Can't get him out. Okay. I am. You got something to say to the children?
Go to hell.
Go to hell. Wow. You need a towel, Taylor?
You said to the camera, I was saying to you that.
No, I said to the children.
Yeah, to the children. I was saying to the camera.
No. The children too, because we don't need them. We out here. Look at that. Look at the mountain view. That's not a mountain, but look out there. It's nice. This is what it was. Oh, we can put it over here. Huh? You see where it's like right there? It's in the shade. The family's out here swimming. This is what it looked like outdoorsy. Huh?
I'm still trying to figure out when this part.
No, she cussed him out about them sex tapes in that closet. Because I remember Lafayette and Maurice, they used to put the tape in and they were like, they used to sit there and watch. Oh, yeah, I'm talking about the grown down here.
Okay. Get my cousin. I need that type of beauty on my camera. Hold on. Oh. Give it to me. Give it to me, girl. You better. This cool over here. I told Mama to bring the tequila. They had Safeway. I don't know if they got a liquor store in there, but I told her to bring some tequila. Almost died. Y'all saw that?
There you go. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Not next time.
You killed? You needed all that water for that little thing. Oh my God. Mesotheliomes. Arizona is a really pretty state. Although it has nothing to do here, and it is extremely hot. It's really pretty. Like, do y'all, like, hold on. Y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand. Look at that. Look at the views from the 6, man. It's so pretty. This is the backyard to the Airbnb we stand in. It's like a lot of land, but it just looked like something out of a movie. It just don't look real here. But I'm on top of I guess the house, I guess you could say. It's nothing up here, but I took these little spiral stairs to get here. Up here, it's on the side. But I think I showed y'all that yesterday, but it was kind of dark. But this is what it looked like during the day. I was going to give a house tour, but the house is actually huge. Like, it has a lot of bedrooms and stuff. So yeah. So this is the best I can do. I'll try to film in each areas of the house, and then y'all will see. Y'all get an idea of what it looked like. So yeah. We about to eat. It's almost time to eat, so I'm gonna go do that. I don't know what the plan is today, for real, but we might hit the town. I really want bottomless samosas, but I know tomorrow we might go to the Grand Canyon, which I'm hoping. But we're here till Monday, and it's only Friday, so we got time. So I didn't really film much yesterday, but I told myself I'm definitely going to film today. It was really kind of hard to film because I was trying to keep the camera in the house because everything was overheating. My phone was overheating, the camera was overheating, everything was overheating. So I was just like scared to like take it with me. And then I did record at the escape room, but I was using my phone because the escape room was so physical. We didn't know that we had to do all the stuff that we had to do, so I just recorded on my phone. But yeah, and I brought the camera in because I really didn't want to leave it in the car because I left it in the car when we was waiting around to check in into our hotel and stuff, and it was overheating. And then Taylor was like, well, as long as your battery is not in it, it's fine. Battery was definitely in it. So yeah, so we're good now. We're good. We're gonna manage the temperatures a little bit better. So yeah. Yeah, so hopefully I get a full day of shenanigans today. I hope so. You know, I don't have this 5 hours of memory for nothing. Might as well use it on up. So definitely gonna give a full functional vlog. Yeah. All right, see y'all in the next clip. Y'all probably gonna see a picture of my plate. So yeah, bye. They figured out how to get the pool on. You leave the black people with buttons. They'll figure out a way to cut stuff on. Huh? You said jump up under.
I said you do up under.
Oh. I did. She took a bunch of mermaid pictures.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I didn't know that was a table.
Yeah.
You know, take grades and stuff, you know.
Yeah, here, lift it.
Everything in me said throw up right now.
It was bad. It lingered.
It just.
It didn't.
Said,
Oh my
and
god.
then when the second one came, I said,
Yeah.
I actually,
Drop me off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like I actually don't got to do this now.
Hey y'all, we I don't know where we are. We at a recreation center because on our itinerary today was a Mexican fiesta. I guess we have a Mexican themed food, and I think we playing games. It's gonna be a game night and
Skateboard and scooters.
I don't actually know what's going on. I didn't read the itinerary. I never do because we about to build our own anyway. So yeah, I don't know what's happening, but it's the summer. Yeah, where we going? So yeah, we finna be beatboxing while the family is worshiping. We're gonna be beatboxing.
This is a person worshiping?
No, you know how they have like you say fellowship.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you did.
They didn't have. You said that they would have what's the margarita thing? They didn't have it. They have a bunch of canned drinks, but they didn't have that. Well, that air conditioning is crisp. Yes, sir. All right, well, bye.
Hey.
It's family reunion. Us, we family, and we reunion. Oh, this is oh, they got a table for salsa. Oh, they got a DJ over there. Oh, and it's a little Mexican fiesta.
Anthony, you got to come right here.
Yeah. Wait, let me put it on you.
She ready too.
I'm ready.
Yeah. Yeah.
How much was it expensive? Well, I got it as a bundle. A bundle? Yeah. I paid $800, but it came with like everything.
It came with everything. Take a picture of it. I went yesterday to buy a camera in Best Buy, and the man told me not to buy that one. But they ain't had no good one.
But it's specifically for vlogging. I bought a vlogging camera.
I just want folks like when I go out of town to take good pictures and stuff.
Oh, then no, not this one.
Not that one.
It's a vlogging camera.
But you can take pictures of it.
Okay. Hold on.